In this video I'm going to show you how to update Joomla 4 specifically, how to keep it up to date with its core updates. So on the dashboard you'll get a notification when there is an update available for the Joomla core. So let's check what it says. It says update your website. Now backups on our hosting solution are always being run, which means that you can say that you've got a backup and you click Start Update. Now, this one went straight into the updates. That's because it's saying that all the extensions are up to date as well. But sometimes when you run an update, it will notify you that there is a Joomla extension that needs updating as well. So just follow the prompts to update that extension. And then when that's done, you can repeat the process to update Joomla itself. So now this Joomla installation has been updated and everything else appears to be up to date. But let's check down here for updates available and see what else pops up, because sometimes the extensions will block a Joomla update from taking place. Okay, so we've got a couple of updates here that we can also run. So we'll mark all of them and click up. Now in some cases, an update could cause an issue with your website. So then you go to a backup, restore that backup, and then we'll try to find out why that update caused an issue. So for example, your website might be needing some changes to how it operates on the server. And once that is taken care of, you'll be okay. So now we have done the updates. The updates are successful and we've got no pending updates to apply, and this website is up to date. It says for us to check some overrides. That relates to template settings, and normally I would not go into this because it is too technical to look into, but you shouldn't need to work on the template overrides. It just relates to template settings that are needed for your particular website design. So you can leave the overrides alone. Just make sure the extension is up to date and Joomla is up to date. Of highest importance is Joomla being up to date, but in order for that to happen, you'll normally have to keep the extensions up to date as well. So I hope this helps give you an idea of how to update your Joomla website, Joomla 4, and how to keep it up to date in a reasonably user-friendly way. You will have noted that it says download keys entered correctly. This relates to the various extensions we have on the website. We've got licenses for them, and we've put in the license keys for each of the extensions we have, enabling us to quickly update them as needed.